Hello loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be making plantain fufu on the stove top without any sweat of pounding. I will list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. So let's get into making some fufu. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 green plantains that I'll be peeling and I'll be chopping into smaller pieces. So for blending your plantains in the blender, you want to add just enough water for blending because you don't want to add too much water to make your plantain running afterwards. If you add less water, you can always add more water if you like to, but if you add more water at the beginning, you can take out the water. So please make sure you are just adding enough water for your blender to run, and you can always add water later when you want. So I'm just going to blend this into a very smooth consistency or this texture like this, and we start cooking our fufu. You are just going to cook like you will be cooking banku or akple, and just stirring, and also make sure it thickens up. Once it thickens up, then you can just start cooking towards the pan, towards you, just like this. And when your fufu is fully cooked, the color is going to change from this yellowish to a lot more like golden brown color. I'm just going to stir, and I'll be adding some water. You can add hot water or you can add cold water and cover it and let it come to a boil. The amount of water you add depends on how soft you want your fufu to be. I will cover it now and allow the steam to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And after that, I'm going to cook some more. It's going to make it look a lot more softer when you cover, and the steam has really cooked it nicely. So I'm just going to stir it some more and our fufu is ready. And you can just scoop this into your earthen well bowl if you have one, or just scoop into a bowl like this. Add some water around it to prevent it from sticking, and just pick the edges into the middle to make a nice ball like this, and serve with your soup of choice. You can use any soup to eat your fufu, your palm nut soup, groundnut soup, or peanut butter soup. You can also use okra soup. Any soup that you love works great for this fufu. And I serve mine with some light soup that I made with some dry fish, some shrimps and mushroom, and I'll share that recipe with you very soon. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.